Hi, it's Bill here with Immaculate Paint Protection again. Common question I often get is, when should I have paint protection film installed on my vehicle? How soon should I have paint protection film installed on my vehicle? Why do I want to get paint protection film installed on my vehicle right away? So these are some common questions we come across. I'm standing in front of a 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63S. Very rare vehicle. It's got the big engine in it, a lot of options in it. Client bought it. I've been looking for it for the last year. Found it out of state, had it shipped to us. Brand new vehicle, 227 miles on it. Again, brand new vehicle, 227 miles on. The guy's been doing all the right things. He's not been driving it. Unfortunately, he came to us because he's got 2 stone chips on there. Unfortunately, we don't know when this happened, but I'll let you zoom in there. 2 rock chips. Paint protection film is essentially like the screen protector that you put on your phone. It's a clear polyurethane film. It's gonna go on the bumper. He's gonna do the partial front end package, so we're gonna put film up here. So unfortunately, if we would have got here at 2, 3, 4, 5 miles, most likely wouldn't have those paint chips on there. But the good news is, once the paint protection film's on there, this guy is no longer gonna have to worry about that problem happening again. So he's definitely making the wise move. It's gonna be a lot cheaper to put paint protection film on than it's gonna repaint this car later on down the road. So we'll fix those before we put the paint protection film on. But this is why it's really important that if you have a brand new vehicle, you gotta get paint protection film installed on right away, as soon as you possibly can. In fact, if you're buying a brand new vehicle, put that in the back of your head, make that plan. Actually, if you can arrange an appointment with us, and we'll make sure we'll get you on the schedule, and hopefully you can pick your vehicle up and bring it right from the dealership to our shop and avoid a situation like this. So we're gonna get it fixed up for this guy. He's really particular, but we're gonna get him fixed up. Touch-up paint's not gonna look 100% ideal, but we'll get it really close for him, and then he can be driving it. He'll be able to drive it hard, drive it fast, and he's not gonna have to worry about rocks, stones, any road debris from further damaging the paint on this AMG. If you have any questions about paint protection film, why you need it, how you need it, when you need it, well, hopefully we just answered the question of when you need paint protection film. But give us a call at immaculatepaintprotection.com, online. Thank you so much.
For packages, pricing, and more, visit us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.